forgot to post this, I wanted to tell you that I found some keto bread at my local Kroger. They apparently just got it in, and it is by Lewis Shop. I've never tried any keto bread, and I was kind of surprised by this. It had 30 calories, it had 9 total carbs, 0 net carbs. If you are following a low carb diet or a keto diet and not avoiding wheat, then this looked like it fit the part. Like I said, I found this at Kroger. It's my local grocery store. I did not find it on Amazon, so I couldn't really look up any reviews for it. I honestly couldn't find anything bad about what was listed on it, so I ended up trying it that next morning. I threw it in the toaster and I cut it in half, threw on some of my homemade strawberry jam. The texture was perfect for me. Of course, it wasn't your traditional chewy bread, but it was extremely close. If you can find some, I do recommend.